Hi friends, welcome to Rasul Sensor channel. Have a nice day. 61,975 work permits for expatriate were cancelled in the last 6 months, Public Authority of Manpower informed, according to latest update from January 10th till June 38th. 61,975 work permits were cancelled. Within this, 38,873 work permits were cancelled as they failed to renew as the expatriate in outside Kuwait restore either final cancellation, death or transfer to family residency. The banks in Kuwait will be closed from July 19th Monday till 22nd Thursday on the occasion of Eid al-Adha, the Kuwait Banking Association informed. The banks will reopen on Sunday 25th. The bank will be working on Sunday, July 18th, where other government offices will be closed on Sunday. Prominent Arabic newspaper in Kuwait, Al Kapas, in cooperation with the Nama Charitable Society, launched a fundraising campaign for the family of the Indian deliveryman who was killed by a customer. According to Daily, within 18 hours of its launch, the campaign was able to collect more than 30,000 Kuwaiti dinar for the family of Sheikh Basa. Indian national Sheikh Basa, who was working as a deliveryman for a mobile company, was murdered on Sunday when he went to deliver an electric scooter to a house in Abu Fatira. According to reports, the customer refused to pay the price of 150 kd, resulting in the altercation with the deliveryman, and the customer hacked him to high death. Later, the Kuwait police arrested the customer and investigation is going on. Al Kapas Daily launched the fundraising campaign under the title "Supporting Them is Our Duty" on Tuesday evening through a video message on its social media platform in which they highlighted the plight of Basa's family. Sheikh Basa was the only breadwinner in the family. He left behind his wife and two children, 10 years and 8 years old. Assistant Under Secretary for Residence Affairs Major General Anwar Abdul Latif Al-Fajjah stated that the producers for health insurance for experts who are under Article 18, 20 and 22 have been amended for those who are in Kuwait and outside Kuwait. Experts who are in Kuwait on Article 18 are granted 2 years health insurance, whereas those outside Kuwait are granted 1 year. Experts on Article 20 inside Kuwait are granted 3 years health insurance, and those who outside Kuwait are granted 1 year. Experts on Article 22 are granted 2 years health insurance, where those outside Kuwait are granted 1 year. According to local reports, the Public Authority of Manpower agreed the proposal to allow the renewal of work permits for expatriate aged 60 years and those holding high school and below certificate at a fee of 2,000 kd per year. According to reports, the proposal was approved during a meeting held Wednesday, and a formal decision in this regard will be issued soon, possible after Eid al-Adha holidays. Thank you.